when Big Mama invites Medea over for breakfast.
Lord.
Hello.
Look what the wind done blew my...
How you doing, Oz? Good to see you, thank you.
Child, that's only makeup. Now come on over here.
Now shut the hell up.
Look at that nappy little grapefruit head.
Hallelujah.
Your granddaddy had a big ass head.
I remember I sent you somewhere too and you came back with something. Still itching?
Come on in, I'm here to take care of y'all. Come on, Jay.
Don't say nothing like that in front of this child. Come on in the house.
Hey, there's a draft.
Don't ever go to the house
Who
uninvited.
this could be? Surprise! Nice.
Don't shoot! It's Helen, your granddaughter, don't shoot!
They're big and bad, and they hate surprises.
Freeze!
Please, I want to see you do it. Call the popo, huh?
Are y'all hungry?
Hello.
Nothing but drama.
You like these?
Say one more thing.
No.
Coming this Christmas, Medea goes to Big Mama's house for breakfast.
Breakfast? Now let's put some music on, alright?
Flash, flash and feel it. Flash, flash and feel it. Hey, it's like a movie. Girl, you a star the show. Baby girl, oh, you wine so groovy. No deny me like America. Your love me no want to lose it. Enough girl want give me the knowledge, but you alone get me groovy. Me alone now face the music. No, baby, when you a wine is a motion picture. Wind up your waist for your DJ, the teacher.
Nothing can break their friendship.
Hello. Get up out this bed, son. What the hell going on?
Oh, that.
You need to get up out this bed. Brian is waiting for you down, dog, because he said he was...
when you get to be my age, they're like yard dogs. If you don't put them on a leash, they'll just roam all over the neighborhood. Huh?
I don't know what you did. I don't care what you did. Do you understand?
Yes.
You need a reason?
Better get your ass out this bed.
All right. We gotta go.
As long as you got a piece of steel, you're going to have peace. Load your steel. Thank you, Chief.
Coming soon. Rated F for f***ery. Come on.